Hello, y'all. Welcome back to my Instagram. I'm gonna put this down right here. So it's not live, but it's Instagram IGTV.
But you don't have to be live.
No, there's a difference between Instagram Live and Instagram IGTV.
I can't keep up with all this.
Oh my gosh. We're literally the same age. I don't understand how he doesn't know these things. Anyway, I had something on my heart and I wanted to share. So, me and my husband, Christian, you wanna pop in? Come in. This is your moment.
Oh, I'm popping?
Your moment. Your 5 seconds of fame. 5.
I did
4,
15.
3, 2, 1.
15.
5 on my channel. Bye-bye. Anyway, so I can see you through the window, dude. So funny, haha.
Hey.
This is what I live with, ladies and gents. Anyway, I wanted to hop on here because me and Christian are actually downtown Atlanta. We don't really come down here a lot, but we decided to come down here because it's our anniversary and we get a hotel down here. Actually, that's not true. We had other plans. We were supposed to go outside of the country, but you know, COVID-19, how it is, but whatever. That's not the point of this video. The whole point is we were walking downtown and this homeless guy walks up to me and Christian, just like you just saw. Exhibit A. Come on, Christian. This is your other 5 minutes. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My husband, he's white. This black homeless guy walks up to us and is like, hey, excuse me. And then we stop and we're like, hi. And he's like, first of all, thank you so much for treating me like a human. That broke. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna cry on my channel, but that really broke my heart. The fact that someone would feel like because someone said hi to them. I didn't think I was gonna cry.
I know. And he had mentioned to us that all day he's been trying to... Yeah. He mentioned that all day he's been trying to talk to people and that he had been cussed out, he'd been just completely ignored, yelled at,
Yeah.
and like pretty much just like scorned by people.
Yeah.
Because he just tried to talk to them.
And he wasn't like dirty. He didn't look like crazy or on drugs or on alcohol, anything like that.
You could just tell that he was like going through something in a very uncomfortable way.
Yeah. And I know it's like a crazy time in this world. Like there's been so many things going on racially. And I think I just wanted to come on here and just say, be kind to people. We ended up having a really good conversation with him. I do feel comfortable sharing what we talked about, but you never really know what people are going through. So just be kind.
Yeah.
Being kind and just saying hi to people, and even though you don't want to like interact or help or whatever the situation is, just treating people like humans goes a long way, especially now. So yeah. That's all I felt like I needed to say. Be kind to people. You never really know what people are going through. I hate like when I'm about to cry how high pitched my voice goes. I sound like no, it's not. But yeah.
Just be a human.
Be a human.
People, because at this point, that's what we need.
Mm-hmm. Be kind to one another, as Ellen says. Although I'm pretty sure Ellen got canceled.
Isn't really a kind person anymore.
Yeah, let's not talk about that.
Cancel Ellen. No.
Don't cancel anyone. Anyway, goodbye.